Hello, guys. It's Tuesday. It's August 4, 2020, and you're watching the Awesome 10X Show with me, Nikki, you also known as Faces Trader. So let's talk about the global markets update. We know that last night was very strong. Those who are trading the global markets would know that every day it seems like there are so many all-time highs. So a couple of all-time highs to share was, of course, C Limited. C Limited traded at 132. You're seeing a lot of all-time highs. Let's take a look one by one. Some sectors that we like. So sector-wide, Workhorse Group was rallying 24% yesterday, closing at 19.18, with the news that Workhorse will of course benefit from the news that Lordstown Motors, which it owns, it is an electric vehicle, will also list themselves through a SPAC. So Workhorse will benefit from there, and that's where your 20% breakout comes from. You've got some fuel cell leaders going 15%, 18% up. So you've got a lot of alternative energy plays rising. NEO is up 14%. I think there was news on NEO as well. But you would see chart-wise that these plays have your fuel cell leaders have gone back after a pullback in the last couple of days, right? So can you see this very clearly? After falling from $3 at 220, reset at about June levels, goes back up. Plug, PLUG. So your fuel cell plays have started going back up. After a consolidation here, healthy pullback, kaboom up. So you've also got Ballard, ganun din, same na same. 21 rallies going down to 14. That is your breakout place at 14, and then closing at 15.32. I'd say that if you we'll talk today strictly about trading, guys. Just wanted to show some trading ideas for you. So it's very clear that at 14, your previous high, your previous resistance is your support, right? So it's very clear naman. There, it's very clear, 14, previous resistance is your support. So very strong moves. You've got your Ballard, your FCell, your Plug. So these are strong buys. Your Sunrun continues rallying higher, rally to about $40. So this just tells you that after a dip at 36, from about 42 to 36, very shallow dip, we continue to go higher. This only means that the sun is very hot. The solar plays are being primed for their earnings 2020. So their 2Q 2020, people are buying ahead of earnings. You could see that Enphase earnings will be released this week. Let's read on Plug Power a few things about the Plug move today. Plug is in a fuel rally mode following news that UK, the largest grocery store, will be using the company's hydrogen fuel cells. So we're entering a world where these are your leaders, your solar plays, your hydrogen fuel plays. Let's take a look at this. Plug Power is up 18.5% as the UK's third largest grocery chain will be running the fuel cell with forklifts, la la la. Plug says the deal with Asda chain marks the largest scale deployment of hydrogen fuel cell technology. Asda is a wholly owned subsidiary of Walmart, which in itself is a long-time Plug Power customer. So there. So basically, it's a strong conviction that Plug shares are, there's a good news on Plug. So just for your knowledge, Plug Power is up 300% since this year, right? Plug Plug is up. What was your January? So your January was 260. 260 hits near $10, so that's about 400%. Yeah, $9. So that's about, so you could see it's about 300% for the year. All right. What other news should we share to you? Oopsie, backs. There's a lot of people paying the price. It's called the front run because they know that there's likelihood for earnings upside this second quarter. You could see that most of the solar plays would probably report a great number. So Enphase Energy rallies a bit, 61. We'll take a look later, earnings forward, whether it's a good thing. But you could see that people are buying it up ahead of the earnings. Will we break 70? Probably yes. So but guys, I'm biased. I am bullish, of course. So I'm bullish on solar play. So I will always say that yeah, it's gonna go up. Stocks go up. The sectors I like will go up. Sini Solar, 8%. Yeah, so this one is all-time highs in Hong Kong. You could see from a sector-wide phenomenon. That's how I trade. That's how I invest. I study secular trends. So when I like a secular trend, doesn't matter if in your US, UK, Hong Kong, I will find you. And if you have a great company, I'll buy you. So Sini Glass is already $11. From March, it went $8. So this is just 50% up. To be honest, I don't delve too much studies in Hong Kong stocks, but I do know that this one is benefiting from that solar trend, Sini Solar. Let's go as well to your, sorry, not Sini, wait, not Sini Glass, Sini Solar, 968. Oops, sorry, 968. 968 is $9, right? Ayun, sorry. Wrong chart, wrong ticker. 968, I'm talking about Sini Solar. So Sini Solar from $4 to $9, up 100%. This is a solar play. So we could see a lot of Chinese solar panels doing well. Take a look what's gonna happen in your Canadian solar. I think the Canadian solar is gonna break out in the next few days. So watch out for the earnings call. Take a look as well at what's gonna happen with Jinko Solar, this coming earnings call. So I believe that a lot of people know what's happening in the future. So earnings would do well. You could see Seem Limited without any news except Shopify doing well, Amazon doing well. Naturally, all the e-commerce stocks are rising, and C Limited is now at all-time high 133. You could see the same thing happening for your video games. Everyone has been making a great earnings. So a great earnings call for Electronic Arts, for Take-Two, all-time highs after all-time highs, Activision. So in this light, we could say that it's been just a happy blessing entire US, no? It's great for a day, but it's better if you look at it for a year, and more, and even better life-changing rewards if you are talking about 5 years, 10 years, and decades. So 2020 winners are a lot. 2020 winners has been very generous, gave 100%, 200%, and so forth. You've got verb stocks like DocuSign, Zoom Video, rising all-time highs yet again. It's more an adoption, right? The more people adopt, DocuSign, your verb stock, up what? From 60 to 220, that's 300%. Your Zoom Video from about, what was it, in 60 to 260. You've got Roku breaking out, $160. It's been an overall just, all the charts are just going up. Wearables have been, as a trend, doing well. You know this. We keep on discussing Copen as if we are parrots, and we talk about these names. Arlo went up because home security firms were rising. It just is a testament that smart home security is being bought out. Arlo Technologies, I'm not sure if I mentioned this to you, but Arlo went something like from 3 to 5 in the last couple of days because of nothing except Securitas. There, 3 to 5, just continuation. And then, of course, you've got the favorite wearables. So we like Copen. Copen is now all-time highs, $2, 214. So it's not yet all-time high in the sense that I don't know how what your price is, but for us, of course, we bought this at 130, 140, 160, 170. So these are some generational wealth that you could do, guys. Copen can go to about $3 to 40 to $3 to 350 to $4. It's all a matter of making money while sleeping. Just hold on to your winners, and if it drops near 160 again, then you just buy. But I think that the trends are intact, and the reason why Copen might do well is, of course, the earnings are coming out this August 5. So a lot of people are really buying a lot of companies that they also believe will do well earnings-wise. So Copen, Vuzi, earnings, no? So I think like in the second quarter 2020, people are all buying ahead of the earnings. So August 10 reporting, so Vuzi, we expect all of our company picks to actually do well. So this is not us trying to parade our wins, but if you have it, you flaunt it. Microsoft wins, TikTok, so kaboom, you could see 216 possible poised all-time highs. From your fangs, you've got all of them naman rising eh. So your Facebook, you can enter 246. These continues to be all-time high winners. What do you do? What do you do when everything you have is a winner? Then you just hold. And then for those that you have that aren't winners, just hold. If you are in a great trend, you will be making money too. Take a look what happened to sports betting stocks, right? So IGT, Penn National Gaming, Scientific Games, Flutter Entertainment, GAN Limited, Gamble, which is esports entertainment, DraftKings. So far, take a look at the performances. Okay naman eh. You buy GAN if you don't have GAN. It's all about diversification. So these are some good risk rewards, guys. For those who don't know what to buy, I think like GAN after falling from 28 now at 1920, I can buy this because I do believe that sports betting is not dead. Just because we cannot do sports today doesn't mean it's dead in the future. So you could be a bit of a contrarian, buy it today at 1970. So what if it goes to 19 and 17? It's all a matter of position size. Chances are you are right because your secular trends, your studies are correct. That's really what we say. It doesn't matter. It's all about position size. We have picks. Okay, so really like some of the picks are like up 100%, 1000%, 500%. Of course, Fastly is up 1000% for the year. This is what Fastly Edge Compute. So people who got into the train even late continue to make money. So this just tells you that yes, it's a bit of a overly. I mean, there's no such thing as expensive. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So I feel that this is expensive, but maybe it will never fall. Yes, it went from about 10 to 111. Yes, that is 1,000% gain from March till August. For those who have it, congratulations. So you've got a winner. The rest of the people, some who were late, entered somewhere at 78 and 80. So they still got a big win. So, I mean, overall, right now, I'd say that is the market at euphoria? I would say that the market is a little bit overextended, but I don't know if we would fall, and I don't choose to call tops. So this is your Nasdaq. We are at 11,000. I don't choose or predict tops. All I know is that I like companies. I hold them. Am I mean, like everyone says, you're a genius in a bull market, right? So that's the easiest way to make money. Just make money when you're in a bull market. And I'm happy to say that we got in low. We continue to hold. And at this point in time, it's all gravy. You need to you need to hold your winners and just let the winners shine. If you've got like companies that are doing well on their earnings front, like Shopify did well, Facebook did well, Amazon did well, Tesla did well. So it's not about yeah, I think it's just really holding on. It's a matter of holding on. And then of course you can deploy it to some IPOs. There are some IPOs that are getting a lot of hype. Yes, Vital Farms went 15% up last night after a 60% run in the first day. So it even went as high as 42. So what is this? It's more of a, I think people right now are abundant, euphoria. So you've got a great story, a great narrative, ethical farming. Sure, people will pay 20% if they want to. So they want a piece of that action. So you've got Beyond Meat yesterday up 7%, right? This one is your plant meat play. So at these levels, at about 130 so, or 134, it might continue to go up. It's a bit expensive, to be honest. Like if I'm gonna be clear, I feel Beyond Meat is expensive. So I would play a sympathy play to Tattooed Chef, which is here at about 14.16. So I think, you know, I don't mind if Beyond Meat goes 150, 160. It's more popular. But there are a lot of plant meat alternatives that can also provide what the Beyond Meat does. So you've got your Etsy, your Shopify, your Billy. So Billy is $46. Zoom Video is up. Pintuoto is now hitting near $100. Your Roku, your Meli, Ocado, all of these are buy before the earnings and hold after earnings. So that's really what's happening. I don't see a lot of selling. You can see naman my list, it's all green. It's like if I miss, it's fine. 90% of the time I'm hitting. So it's not about being arrogant. It's just being true that you win by holding your winners. Whether you're holding your Microsoft, your Apple, your wearables, diba? So it's really about holding. So currently, I didn't even invest in gene therapies. I don't invest in gene therapies, but there's a lot of winners there. Your Invite is now 10% up. This Invite is a company that is in the gene therapy that is trying to solve cancer, right? NVTA up. Since here, there was an announcement that they are partnering with cancer research, and then kaboom, made a nice pullback here, and then kaboom, NVTA gives a buy signal. So yeah, so from just a strictly trading standpoint, you've got your fuel cells, you've got your NVTA, you've got we've got even some sports betting giving some good risk reward. So let me just give you a wrap up, a recap. So BLDP, FMCI, and many to mention. There's just too many winners, guys. And I just want you to hold your money. Hold your winners and hold on for the ride. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.